Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all of my mothers out there. I hope your day was great to you. Um, Today, we are going over the Sunday market overview. Um, hold on. Run that back. My name is Ramira, aka Mira the Goddess 22. I am 29 years old from Atlanta, Georgia. Stay at home mom to three wonderful boys. And I rob banks legally. And I'm going to teach you how. So today we are going over the market overview on what may happen in the market. Friday was really lovely. I just wanted to go over a couple of things before we get into the market overview. Mm, 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 mm. Hold on, let me clear some of this stuff up. Okay. All right. So last week when I look at she's still going. Last week when I said that she was going to sell. She definitely did sell. She did give us that re-entry that I said that we were looking for. If you watched my video on Friday, then you already know what's going on. But if not, I'm just doing a recap. So she did give us that second entry, and she continued down. She is currently down so far. We are down. Well, we are in profit. Uh, at this current moment, 150 pips. She did get to 160. Looks like she came up some. So if you and me, if you haven't already taken your profits, definitely take some of your profits, take half of your profits, or what you can be able to do, put your stop loss into entry. Um, I'll be honest, you can probably put your stop loss into profit to maybe about here, just in case she does go up, and you can get some of your profits. Take half and put your your stop loss like right here. As your stop loss now is at entry. Um, I mean your stop loss is now is in profit. I'm so sorry, not an entry. So yeah. Oh, scary. uh, we don't go over NAS. We don't go over US 500 or US 30. So USD JPY. So last week we did catch that buy. We missed the sell off. That first sell off is definitely okay. We got re-entry. I think on Wednesday when I said we are waiting for that next spot entry to get in. She did. We actually got our profit 139. She did give us an entry on Friday for a second entry or re-entry. And if you did catch it, you are currently now in profit 164 pips. So yeah, see GBP, JPY. We did miss that first sell off, guys, but she did give us a second entry if you were able to get in. Right here, she gave us that second entry and she went down. Um, So that's what's been happening. Of course, we caught that sale. We were in the buy. Buy actually took TP, um, which was very lovely. If you did hold her some more or just ride it, it was actually a total 203 pips. Um, yeah, it was really cool. I like that. And I think what happened on USD CAD, did I get I got stopped out the first buy because I didn't put my stop loss how what it needed to be, but I was able to get the re-entry and get back in for that buy. News just took me out that we had last week. Okay, sell off. We're still waiting for the buy opportunity. She did come down a week, but I really feel like she may come down before we continue to buy this cat. Switch Frank, dollar finally broke out, so she is currently going up. And GBP USD is currently going down. All right, so just going over what may happen in the market and what's going on. Let me go on the weekly time frame so far. 1 second. All right, so weekly time frame. The previous candle that we had is a bearish engulfing, which we wanted. Okay. And what we've been waiting for. And she sold off. On daily time frame, I don't see nothing currently. I really just feel like we need another retracement before we can get in for another sale and continue down. Let me look on daily time frame real quick. Let me clear up some of this stuff for us. I really feel like she's not going to get us to that 50 to 61% again. What may actually happen. I think I like this one better. We're at a 4 hour. Our 50 to 61% is at our 4 hour key level, 4 hour support and resistance level. So what I'm looking at for this week, what may actually take place. Come down and want her to retest. Don't know if she would actually get all the way up to this 50 to 61. Maybe just touch the 50 and continue to go down. But we shall see exactly what price action tells us. But at this current moment, current price structure, current price action, she's not doing much at this current moment. Okay. Yeah. She just retracing. We're just waiting for once that retracement is done, we can get in for our sales. USD JPY. So I don't think this major sell-off is actually going to take place because of what's actually happening at this current moment with the DXY. So the United States dollar. So I'm glad you're gonna keep this set up. She did go down. I want her to go up. I don't know if she will fill this weekly void that we have here, but I am looking for a retracement up so we before we actually go down. So for the current week, she'll make go up, do a little bit retracement down, and then go up, touch this weekly void if she does, and before she drops. So that's what we're waiting on. And also, look, we have a beautiful W formation that is happening right now. Possibly a good time Well, that candle we could have been able to buy, which was on Friday. So now we just need to wait for the retracement to get into that buy. I'm so sorry. I don't know if y'all can hear me yawning, but it's been a hell of a day. Even on Mother's Day, Mother's job is never done. Okay. All right, so just waiting for that retracement. She probably just retraced this little gap area right here. Don't think that she'll go down to the 50 to 61%. And then we can ride her up some more. Okay. GBP, JPY, we on our way back up. Let me clear out some of these things here for us. So just looking at a couple of things, I do know a lower low. Well, here we have a lower high and a lower low form, but I'm just looking at the price action here. So that was a bullish harami. This was a bullish harami. It's a small one. She's currently buying. Also, I just see a big W formation. So we just need to um, we just gotta wait. We gotta wait for the retracement down. Let me look on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we can't do nothing at this current moment. Yeah, we need some little bit of retracement before we go up. Yeah. And what I would like is when she does make that retracement, that she doesn't make another lower low. If she does make another lower low, then I'll change my bias and go down for sales. But that's what I see so far. USD CAD is buying as well. What I like. So today is Sunday, but we're just waiting at this current moment. I want her. She looks like she's actually already starting to um, get in. So I'm just waiting for her to come down. Maybe fill this little gap area that's right here before we continue up. She may not even go that low. I like this one better. I'm gonna put an alert right here. Oh no, I'll reset the V chart. I need to put a little alert right here. USD CAD looks the only thing promising at this current moment. Yeah. All right. CAD. I want her to go into this 50 to 60%. She may pass it a little bit before we continue to go up. GBP USD. I'm looking for sales. This actually looks a little promising. Um, just waiting for her to finish. So something like that. All right, so that's what I have so far. We will be back. Make sure that you guys are just following me. I will be posting more, especially on my social media accounts. Um, but you guys stay tuned for what's coming up, what's more. You guys have a great day, a great Sunday. I will see you later. Bye.